welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday all about Disney. If you are old here, hello. I am very excited to bring you this video. If you watched my video last week, you know that I am going to Disney in just about a week. I filmed one of these videos a very long time ago, but things have changed. My bag has changed, so I wanted to do an updated what's in my bag video. Okay, so this is the primary bag that I will be wearing on our trip. I'm actually bringing another bag. I'm actually bringing two bags besides this one, but we'll just talk about this one. This is kind of going to be my primary bag. This is the Sorcerer Mickey backpack. It is by Shop Harvey's. I received this as a gift from my dad and stepmom, I think like in February. So if this bag is still available, I will go ahead and link it in the description box below. If you're not familiar with Shop Harvey's, they are like the seatbelt bag. So it's made out of like seatbelts, and it's Sorcerer Mickey, which is my favorite. It's really cute. I wore this on my May trip and it worked out great because it is a huge bag. So it has a nice little snap, and then it has this drawstring here, and this is what the inside looks like, and it just looks like a big black hole. So I'll just start pulling stuff out to kind of show you what I have in there. So I love these clear plastic cases because when you go through security at Disney, they pull everything out. So if things are in these clear plastic containers or bags or whatever, pouches, they can see what's in there, and it just makes the process move a lot faster versus if it is solid and they can't see through, because then they have to open everything up. So I have a few of these. This is the first. I should back up. These are so old. These are from Victoria's Secret, probably like 10 years ago, maybe more. They were like one of those like free things that you get, and it came with a set of 3. I have 2 of them left. I'm not sure what happened to the third one, but this one is kind of my makeup, if you will. So for the first time ever, I'm actually only bringing 2 lip products with me into the parks, because a lot of times I'll bring like 3 or 4 and I use like 1 or 2. So these are the 2 that I'm bringing with me. This is by Fresh. This stuff is the greatest stuff ever. It is like a tinted lip treatment. It has an SPF of 15, and I'm not wearing it right now. I was going to say I'm wearing it right now, but I'm not. But I wear this stuff a lot. It is very moisturizing. It does have some color, and it actually has a lot of tint to it in this color. So this color is berry. I got this at Sephora. They have like a ton of colors. Some of them are like more clear. Some of them have a lot of color. I feel like this is like one of the most tinted ones, and it is kind of like a little pinkish kind of color. Love that. And then I have this, which is the one that I am wearing, and this is kind of old. I'm not even sure if they still make this. It is by Benefit. It is their real double the lip. And I think it's double lip because I don't know if you even be able to see it, but it kind of has a darker color on the tip. Sort of, can you see that? But that's what I'm wearing now. I think that it's supposed to be that it's like a lip liner, so it's a little darker on the outside, but I've been wearing this a lot lately. Oh, what's the color? Lusty Rose. So any of the products, if I can find them, I will link them down below. Next in my little bag of tricks is a little container. It says Advil, but it's actually Tylenol in there. And then I have a box of Altoids, which I'm almost out of these. Oh, maybe not. I may go and get like the little tiny tin, the smaller tin, which is usually what I have for travel. And then I have these, and these are by, is it Boscia? I got these at Sephora. They're like those charcoal blotting pads. I like them because they absorb the like oil on your face, but what I don't like about them is I feel like I can never figure out which side has the charcoal where it's supposed to blot. So I feel like I'm always like doing both sides. Oh, that's right. Okay, so it's not the shiny side. So it just kind of like picks up the oil, and then, I don't know, it transfers to the paper to like make you more matte, I guess. I've had these for a while. I really only use them in the park, but kind of cool. Okay, next I have a thing of baby wipes. I don't really like need baby wipes because my son's not going with me, but I like these if I just need to like wipe a sticky hand or just wipe something off and I don't necessarily like need another kind of wipe. So I like to carry these with me. I have my Louis Vuitton sunglass case. The sunglasses, I'm gonna bring a few pair, but the pair that I usually wear is in the car. So that's what that is. And then I have my power bank, and I've talked about this thing before. This thing is a beast. It weighs a lot, and I love it because it charges actually 2 things at a time. And so there's my cord for my phone. But if you've been to Disney before, you know that if you're using your phone for like my Disney experience, that the battery dies quite quickly. And so this, I can actually get like 4 full phone charges off of this, but I like that it's 2 because I can use the other one like if a friend needs to charge their phone, or I'll show you in a second why I might need the other one. I have a hairbrush. This is the wet brush, just to brush my hair. Then I have another bag of tricks. This is the matching to the other one. So in here I have a little thing of travel Tums. We are going to the Food and Wine Festival, so I probably will need some Tums. I have wet ones, wipes. These are like antibacterial, so these clean a little bit better. And then I have these Clorox to-go wipes. This is like if I have to wipe off a table or something. I'll also use these when we get into the hotel room to wipe off all the surfaces. Next I have these, which I just bought these. I've never used these before. These are the Dove Go Fresh deodorant wipes. And these are like, it says it's not deodorant. It's basically, it says applied to neck, chest, and underarms as needed, not antiperspirant, perfect for on the go, for underarm wetness, blah, blah, blah. So it says help wipe odor away, toss in your bag, fresh on the go, blah, blah, blah. So it's hot in Florida. It's always hot in Florida, I feel like. And so these will be just like a nice little refresher to kind of like clean me up if I feel like hot and sweaty and stinky and can't take a shower. And then I have my deodorant. So this deodorant is called Stink Bug Naturals. And this is a natural deodorant. I got it from Walmart. I have a like baking soda allergy, I guess. I like to use natural deodorants. And if a deodorant contains baking soda, I get a horrible rash. So this is the only one that I found that I can actually use without a rash, and it keeps me not stinky. Next, I have my phone. This is the phone case that I have been using and I love. The only thing is that pop sockets will not stick to this for whatever reason. I've had 3 different pop sockets. None of them will stick to it. I've had pop sockets for years and I've always had them stick to my phone case until I got this one. So I might switch out my phone case before I go so I can make sure I have a pop socket. Next I have, because I'm a vlogger, I have my Manfrotto Pixie. This is my tripod. This allows me to hold the camera, or it is a tripod and it will let me sit it down somewhere. So that is in my bag, along with my camera case with my vlogging camera. I'm on my other camera right now. So I vlog with the Canon G7X Mark II, and the reason why I like this one is because it has like the little flip-up screen, so if I'm talking to the camera I can actually see myself up above. So that's that. And I just have it in this case, and then also in the case I have my little case that I usually keep a spare SD card in, and then I also always carry a spare battery. Next I have this, which is this little portable fan. It has 3 speeds. I don't know if you can hear it. This thing is amazing. Oh, it feels so good. I love this thing. I've actually used this. I just bought this. I had another fan. Here, I'll turn it off. I had another fan that I've used previously and it actually broke, and so I went ahead and ordered this one from Amazon. I will link it down below. I love the pink. And I actually used it. My son had a soccer game last weekend and it was so hot out there. And I actually brought this with me and I used it and it's awesome. And then it has like it folds up so it's nice and tiny. And then it also can like sit if you want it to like sit, like maybe sit there while you're eating or something. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, and then lastly, and I want to show this to you because one thing I like about this bag is it has this like little keychain thing. So this is hooked on there, and this is, and I don't remember the name of it. I should know the name of it, But it is from Louis Vuitton, and it is like the little key pouch, I think it's called. That might not be what it's called. But what I do is I have all of my cards in here. So I'm not gonna show you my cards, but I like how it hangs inside of the bag. Okay, so that is everything that was in that bag. It is a lot. These things kind of bother me. They're really cute, but they make a lot of noise, so I may end up taking that off. But I am bringing another backpack, so I do want to show you that, and that is this one. And this is my Marc Jacobs, I think it's called the Biker Mini. I reviewed this. One of my first YouTube videos I ever made was me reviewing this bag a couple years ago, and I love this bag. I still carry this bag all the time, this little backpack. It is my go-to Parks bag. It has been with me on every Disney trip I've ever taken. No, ever since I got it. I'll take that back. It's been on every Disney trip since I have purchased it. This bag is fabulous. It will fit everything that I just showed you. So if you're looking for a really good backpack to take into the parks, I highly recommend this one. I will link it below. Someone told me recently, someone commented on a video that they found this backpack at TJ Maxx. So that is awesome. If you can find this backpack at TJ Maxx, go for it, because it is definitely a staple in my bag collection and love it. So that is what is in my parks bag. Tell me if you think I'm forgetting something. Is there something else I should be carrying into the parks? Do you carry something that you think I need? Tell me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will have Disney World vlogs coming up very soon. I'm excited to share those with you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!